and this meat is so thin, but it still hurts.
What are you even saying?
I'm eating meat.
Oh.
Look, I'll send you a picture of how thin they are.
Okay.
12 minutes until it actually uploads. No, this is my meat.
That's mine. Okay, can you stop sending me photos, Bane? That's a thin piece of meat.
What do you mean? I told you that I would send you the thin piece of meat.
Oh, yeah.
Meow. That piece of meat was so thin, but it still hurts to swallow, like I said.
Who?
Kitty, quit! I don't have no more meat.
This is really funny to listen to.
Shut up!
Nah.
I literally thought that I would have never sound like Bane in my whole life until now.
Oh my.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be watching my cooking show
Okay.
after I delete all these pictures. Kitty, quit! Quit licking my fingers. I have bits on them. Smell of meat.
Yes! I'm finally signed into Sleepy Forest.
What?
Why did you describe the whole Vanos crew?
I don't know. It's for the hell of it.
Like, physically the whole Vanos crew.
I know.
Okay then.
Okay, then. Hold on, I'm watching my cooking show. Kitty, quit smelling my fingers. My friend said that I sound like Bane, but I said welcome to Bane's cooking show. I still don't say I sound like Bane. Today I'm showing you how to make noodles. So, we got our pot and we got the water. I made a little more water.
You especially sound like Bane in this video.
And we grab the pot. We take it to
Oh crap, it was loading. It's loading.
the stove. And we turn on the stove. This is my cooking show. I finished watching my cooking show. You're mean.
I just finished watching it.
Really?
Yeah. You know, you're starting to sound less like Bane now.
I know.
Oh, never mind, back to Bane.
I think it's because of the... No! Okay. Oh, oh.
How many things did you send me on Instagram?
Did I stop? What?
Teddy bear.
Yes. Kids are in my room. Wait, what?
This is really funny to listen to.